In a small neighborhood, a novice gardener named Mia faced the daunting challenge of cultivating a community garden. Overwhelmed by self-doubt, she questioned her abilities and feared failure at every turn. Her initial attempts at planting were met with setbacks. Weeds choked her seedlings, and harsh weather threatened her progress. Yet, a turning point came when she was invited to present her vision for the garden at a local meeting. Nervous but determined, she prepared tirelessly, spurred by the thought of making a difference. Support from friends and family poured in, encouraging her to pursue her dream. They offered advice, shared gardening tips, and even helped her prepare for her presentation. Each small victory, planting a variety of flowers, organizing community volunteers, and watching her plants thrive, built her confidence. Mia faced the ultimate challenge when the garden's opening day approached, and storms threatened her hard work. Despite the chaos, she rallied her community, and together they protected their plants. The garden blossomed, symbolizing not just flowers, but resilience and unity. Mia learned that the journey of growth is not just about the harvest, it's about believing in oneself and embracing the support around us.